Good afternoon, everybody. I hope you don't mind me popping into your inboxes for a few minutes. I have a new product to share with you. It's a KDP template, which I've created. It is a bookkeeping template, really, for personal accounts recording. I think it's quite a useful one. I don't find particularly that accounts is particularly interesting. So I thought, well, why not make something that's a little bit interesting and makes the job less tedious, and a little bit prettier. Let's be honest, a little bit prettier. So here we go. It is a 7-page template, as you can see, which has got lots of really useful places to record information. It's an 8x10 interior, this one, which I find is a really good size for keeping, to be able to comfortably write in. I think 6x9 is too small for an accounts book. Definitely, I couldn't. I would not like to write in that myself. So I prefer to do things that I know that I'm going to use, and I actually use this kind of book myself for my accounts, and I use one book per account because otherwise it's too confusing and it's really hard to keep track of the information. So I always advise one account per book, which, you know, for booksellers is an even better deal, let's be honest. Right, so first things first, it's quite a nice simple template. It's really easy to change everything. You can change the words, you can change the fonts, you can change the color of the fonts, you can do what you like, really. I have grouped the boxes together so that they won't go out of shape if you change too much, but they will stay together. But it's very easy to ungroup things, and if you use PowerPoint, you'll know how to use that. So first things first, how to change background. So right click on your slide and just click on format background. If you want to change just the color of your background, very simple, just use the solid fill and change the color to whatever it is you fancy. Nice bright blue there, and then click on apply to all, and it will change every single slide in your deck to be the same as the front one, the one that you've picked. You can also do the same thing with a picture. So you can just insert a picture that you've already. I like to prepare my own graphics because I want to be individual. Get me, eh? So just insert the graphic that you like, and then again apply to all, and it will put it on every single page. Your background is now static. It's in the background. It cannot be affected by anything you do until you change it. So whatever you do, changing boxes, changing fonts, none of that is going to affect the background. It is done and dusted there. If you want to have a different front page to the rest of the backgrounds, it's so easy to do that. All you've got to do is insert picture, choose your picture. In this case, I'm going to pick this one because it goes with the background. I created them to go together. And there we go. It should appear. Just tell it to go to the back, send to the back, and then you can resize it to go over the entire background. Very easy to do. You can do that in a couple of clicks of the button, and it's job done. You can also change. Let me take the background off. Change picture just by right clicking, and then from a file choose another picture. So you can replace these pictures ad infinitum and get as many different looks as you like. You can have a picture on the front page, you can have completely different pictures on all of the other pages. You can just keep doing this and adding different looks to this one template, which will give you so much scope to work with and provide you with, 5-10 different interiors if you want to. I would say you can also offer a monochrome version and a black and white version. As you know, if you do KDP a lot, color printing is a bit more expensive, and therefore you can quite easily have a slightly more expensive book for those people that don't mind paying a few pounds or a few dollars extra to buy a colour version because they're interested in that. Or you can have the monochrome version for the people that just want, the cheap and cheerful book to use on a practical basis. Anyway, I hope that this has been a helpful quick video. Please take a look down in the comments below. The link to this actual template will be there. It's on my Gumroad shop, and feel free to have a browse around my Gumroad and see if there's any other templates that you fancy the look of. I do quite a lot of different covers. I also have some really nice interiors that are ready-made PDFs ready to upload. I will be doing more of this kind of template, PowerPoint template, that you'll be able to adjust. So feel free to sign up to my mailing list, which I will also put the link in below, and that way you will be informed when my templates come up. I'm going to try and make them all really simple KDP friendly templates that are all with bleed included and that you can customize to make them look totally spot on. Thanks for watching, and I hope I'll see you soon. Take care now.